I'm excited to tell you about our most versatile countermat, the Frame It Window Countermat. Now, it comes with a Vinex surface material, and the backing options, we have everything from Super Duty and Duratec to peel in place and barely there. And it comes in sizes ranging from 9 by 11 all the way up to 17 by 26. So we have an option for every project, every budget. Now, what makes this product so great is the ability to update your advertising so that your content is always relevant and fresh. So all you have to do is pull up the existing insert and then replace it with a brand new one, and voila! Brand new promotion, updated information, whatever you're looking to achieve. The size, shape, and placement of the window can also be whatever you'd like. So you can have it on the side, on the bottom, on the top, or you can even have multiple windows. There's really no restriction, just needs to be built into the artwork. We also reverse print the image directly to the Vinex. It increases the durability. It's going to make sure that your product looks really good for a long time. Also, everything's manufactured in the USA using materials also made in the USA. Now, so some of the great uses for these is hardware. You have Milwaukee. What they did with it is they wanted to highlight various products, give some additional details and specs on them. Great way to make use of it. Fleur wanted to show some of the techniques, some of the features that you get with their thermal imaging cameras, and so it shows you, hey, here's all the great things that you can do with it. Fieldpiece, they have a great toolkit backpack, and they wanted to show you, here's all the ways that you can store things in this backpack. Just a great use of this. Another great industry, of course, is the medical industry. Pharmacists, you find these at pharmacies everywhere, or maybe they're going to have a sale on a particular product, or they want to let you know about a certain benefit or program. Another great one, of course, is the lottery. So in this particular instance, they decided to highlight on the machines so that you would know and look around and see, okay, where am I supposed to buy my lotto tickets? I can come in here and just take care of it really quick and easy. Another great industry is the services industry. We have a great example here from Herc Rentals. What they did is they really showcased all the different services, all the different products that they had available. And it gives them the ability to, throughout time, make any modifications to any product or service at all times. So you just have this really thin border all around the edge with our logo. So it's a great use of the Frame It countermat. Another great example here is this UPS countermat. So there's a lot of information that's going to be static. They're not going to be changing. Here's ground, 2-day, 3-day. Obviously, those are services that they have all the time, and that information doesn't need to change. The information that they have in the center that they can take and change is, a service or a product or anything that they want to do and highlight for a period of time. And that's what this countermat allows you to do. And here we have the agricultural industry. So Elanco, they wanted to showcase all of their product line, showcase all the things that they do, provide information on the drugs that they have for livestock, all the different things, and obviously they can change it for the different products and services that they have or update things as it becomes available. Kubota, they went the route of being able to showcase specific products. So in here you have one series, one specific model with all of its specs, all of its information right there at the counter to promote it and say, hey, here's why this is the great option. As you can see, Frame It window countermats are used in a wide variety of ways and are great for keeping content current. When you want to regularly update your advertising without spending a lot, choose Frame It window countermats.